In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Circle Communities. Circle is an all-in-one community platform that allows you to build, manage, and grow your community seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can get the most out of this powerful tool. The first thing you'd want to do is open your browser and go to Circle's official website. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll immediately see why Circle is touted as the complete community platform. The clean and intuitive design makes navigation a breeze. Now direct your gaze to the top of the page and you'll find the products section. Give that a click and you'll begin to uncover the range of features Circle offers. After exploring the product page, shift your attention over to the Resources tab. Here, Circle provides a wealth of information designed to support you, from fantastic learning resources to the latest updates. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the basics, let's take a deeper look into why Circle is so special. One of the standout features is that it's built by professionals and chosen by the best. You can truly run everything on Circle, from broad community management to detailed engagement activities. The community section is your next stop. This component is where the magic truly happens. Circle offers tools for interaction, discussion, and connection, making it a vibrant space for your members. Do you want a branded app for your community? Circle has got you covered with options to customize your app that keep your brand front and center. As we move along, you'll find that AI and automation capabilities are seamlessly integrated into Circle's ecosystem. These features can significantly streamline processes within your community, allowing you more time to focus on engaging your members. Payments are also a breeze on Circle, with built-in options to handle transactions smoothly, ensuring a hassle-free experience for both you and your members. Circle doesn't stop there. A robust email marketing solution is also part of the package, allowing for targeted communications with your community. And let's not forget the website builder. Yes, you can create a fully functional website right from the Circle platform, which is perfect for hosting content, member resources, and more. Great communities transform people, and Circle is all about organizing chaos into a cohesive platform. The customization options are vast, letting you mold your community space to fit exactly what you envision. Whether you are discovering the best digital experiences or seeing why Circle is loved by so many, it's clear why it has been named the #1 platform by G2. To wrap it up, Circle has been praised as a game changer in community management. Influencers like Pat Flynn have lauded its seamless experience, and now it's your turn to transform your community experience with Circle. So go ahead, explore, and see how Circle can become the heartbeat of your online community.